Pratyuksha. Currently, I am pursuing my BE in Computer Science Engineering at Nittay Meenakshi Institute of Technology. As a part of Samsung Innovation Campus, I have built a capstone project that is Aquamind AI. It is a fish species identifier. Aquamind AI is a deep learning project that identifies the fishes from the uploaded images and tells the name of the species. The project covers the full machine learning workflow from downloading and exploring the dataset, model training, testing, validation, and finally predicting the species. Now I will run you through the ML pipeline. Initially, I have imported the libraries that is required for my project. Then I have downloaded the dataset from the Kaggle, extracted the dataset. After loading the dataset, I got the information that there are 9 classes in my fish species. These are the classes. There are totally 9,000 images. Each classes consists of 1,000 images. This is the visual distribution of my dataset. These are the sample images from each class. There are 9 classes. Then I have checked for the corrupted images. There are totally 0 corrupted images in my dataset. Then I have built the data pre-processing. I have done the train test validation 70%, 15%, 15%. Verified the dataset split. These are the images for the train testing. Then I have done the data augmentation because I cannot tell the user to upload the image in a particular direction or in a particular angle. I have implemented data augmentation so that the model has been trained in such a way that if the user upload an image in every angle, it predicts the fish species. Then I have built a CNN model. Then I have run my AppOps. I have got the accuracy of 99.8%, 98. This is my accuracy, 99.41%. This is my confusion matrix. It is diagonally, all the images are predicted in the correct order. Then now I have built a website using the Streamlit. This is the interface of my website. If you upload an image of the fish, initially it predicts the name of the fish species. Then if you want the information about the fish, it gives the information such as scientific name, family, habitat, lifespan, diet, and much more. Then if you want extra information such as nutrition information, interesting facts, then if you want to ask any questions to the Gemini, I have integrated the Gemini. Let's ask best cooking methods. Gemini will answer the questions. Next, if you want to ask personal questions to the app, can it will answer the question. This is my